Hi guys and girls, good morning. I hope you stay safe and healthy by the grace of God. As you know, speaking is a fun. Today our topic word is what's there. What's there commonly spoken in English language and to ask queries and questions. Let us make a practice with the word what's there. As such, you can see on this whiteboard, first query is what's there? What's there? There's a wolf. Answer is there's a wolf. Say again, what's there? वहाँ पर क्या है? There's a wolf. वहाँ पर एक भेड़िया है. Next query is what's there? Answer is there's a dog. There's a dog. There's a dog. वहाँ पर एक फाख्ता है. Next one is what's there? There's a rabbit. There's a rabbit. There's a rabbit. There's a rabbit. वहाँ पर एक खरगोश है. What's there? There's a monkey. There's a monkey. There's a monkey. There's a monkey. वहाँ पर एक बंदर है. What's there? There's a hunter. There's a hunter. There's a hunter. There's a hunter. वहाँ पर एक शिकारी है. What's there? There's a jackal. 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 वहाँ पर एक गीदड़ है. What's there? There's a mice. There's a mice. There's a mice. वहाँ पर एक चूहिया है. What's there? There's a dragon. There's a dragon. There's a dragon. There's a dragon. वहाँ पर एक खौफनाक अजदहा है. Let's see once again from the top. What's there? There's a wolf. What's there? There's a wolf. What's there? There's a wolf. What's there? वहाँ पर क्या है? There's a wolf. वहाँ पर एक भेड़िया है. What's there? What's there? There's a dog. There's a dog. वहाँ पर एक फाख्ता है. What's there? What's there? वहाँ पर क्या है? There's a rabbit. There's a rabbit. There's a rabbit. वहाँ पर एक खरगोश है. What's there? What's there? There's a monkey. There's a monkey. There's a monkey. वहाँ पर एक बंदर है. What's there? What's there? There's a hunter. There's a hunter. वहाँ पर एक शिकारी है. What's there? There's a jackal. There's a jackal. वहाँ पर एक गीदड़ है. What's there? What's there? वहाँ पर क्या है? There's a mice. There's a mice. वहाँ पर एक चूहिया है. What's there? What's there? वहाँ पर क्या है? There's a dragon. There's a dragon. There's a dragon. वहाँ पर एक खौफनाक अजदहा है. Right, guys and girls and kids, you can make a practice with these short queries. These are very useful in spoken English, and you will be able to speak a good English if you make a lot of rehearsal with these short questions, short queries and answers. I wish you all the best. God bless you. Goodbye.